I'm Brooke Dane, rider number 36 in the 2021 Scooter Cannonball run. My Cannonball code name is ADV Scooter. This will be my second Scooter Cannonball run. I previously completed the 2018 Cannonball from Morro Bay, California to Virginia Beach, Virginia. I've done a number of scooter rides, including the Cross Egypt Challenge, the Cross India Challenge, and was on the Scootistan Vespa Tour of Pakistan. This year's Cannonball will kick off on July 12th in Bar Harbor, Maine, and finish 10 days and 4,500 miles later in Eureka, California. I'll be riding Rolf, a 2007 Vespa GTS 250 that was once owned by the late Rolf Soltau. Those of you in the Vespa community will remember Rolf as he was well respected across the nation. I bought the scooter known as Rolf's Red Rocket in December of 2020, and it was in pretty rough shape. The previous owner had disassembled it for a rebuild and then lost interest in the project. This little video series, The Road to Cannonball, will cover the rebuild to make Rolf the scooter ready for Cannonball. Along the way, I'll talk about modifications to Rolf and some of the equipment I'll be wearing and using to be as comfortable as one can be while riding a Vespa 500 miles a day for 10 straight days. I hope you enjoy the road to Cannonball.